She paints on the riverboat, so small. Boat so small but heart so wide. Colors dance and shimmer, floating with the tide. In her narrow boat she stays, brush in hand and dreams so clear. Life in vibrant hues and shades, canvas near the pier. Blue love from her hair in moonlight's gleam. He stepped close and whispered sweet. In her heart and you dreaming, love making her complete. Together on the flowing stream, painting skies in evening glow. Love is like a gentle theme, flowers start to grow, holding hands as stars align. Hearts in rhythm with the waves. In his eyes she finds a sign, new love that she craves. Ooh, holding hands as stars align. Hearts in rhythm with the waves. In his eyes she finds a sign, new love that she craves. Nights are soft under the stars, whispers in the breeze at night. Past and future never far, love's eternal light.